I've been searching for some ways to earn passively some satoshi without doing too much, especially without investing anything, and I came around Slice. So Slice is basically a browser plugin that you can install where you get advertisements and you earn some satoshi with it. You will not get rich, so we are talking about maybe between 75 and 100 satoshi a day, but hey, you basically have to do nothing. Okay, first of all, you need to install the Slice extension in Chrome, and then you can see that here, and you can set it up with your account. So let's head to my dashboard. I've been doing it for 2 days, so really not long, so I can't tell you too much about it. I was just to show you that I will be doing this the next 2 days, and by doing, I mean literally spending 2 minutes or 3 minutes a day with that, because apart from ads you can also watch up to 3 videos, not more, between 10 and 20 seconds it took to earn some additional satoshi. So you can see here I have some Slice. I don't know why we decided to split that, so I have 250 Slice, which equals 212 satoshi, and as I said, I started it yesterday. And the next thing you should be doing is to head to new tab and install that extension as well. And what this does is basically it redefines what opening a new tab is doing for you, and this is where the money comes in, or the few satoshi, let's say. So if we can look at here, I saw 46 ads today, which I currently have 46 slices and 39 satoshi. So when I open a new tab, boom, now I land at this ask what from Slice, which is basically the new tab thingy, and you get the first time asked if you want to booster. You can see I boosted this. What you need to do, or what the system will do, is replace your default search engine with theirs. When you add something on here on top and search it, you will use their search engine. You still can just go to google.com if you prefer to do that, but you still keep the booster. And if we now head back to the ads, you can see now it's 48 to 41. I can't remember what we had before, so let's just do it again. So we had 41 set and 48 ads. So I'm opening up, I wait until the ads are loaded, and voila, 50 and 43 satoshi. I do a lot of computer work, so I'm opening a couple of new tabs during the day, so but you can already just open one every few minutes and you get assigned more ads. Yesterday I couldn't get past 80, but when you read their documentation it also says that you have a soft limit. I mean, they only have a certain amount of ads for your location, for your region, for your demographics available, so it stops sooner or later. So the second thing is you can watch a couple of videos a day. It seems to be best working on Chrome. I also tried it on Brave, but sometimes they are not rewarded or not forwarded directly. They tend to be between 10 to 20 seconds. And if I go to my dashboard, you can see they earn a lot more. So I just watched 2 videos, they earn 34 satoshi. And yesterday I had watched all my 3, which netted me 51 satoshi. So overall, if you add up my ads from yesterday to my videos, you are at 116 satoshi. And yeah, it took me 3 minutes, 4 maybe, because I had to set everything up. And apart from that, I will be doing this forwarding and see how this goes. One thing you need to keep in mind is the payout is restricted for the first 30 days. So the conversion will only be available 30 days later. Where I claim to be for a fraud detection reason, I don't know. I can't say anything to that. But so I cannot tell you if they are paying, but what I can tell you, it's definitely for the Lightning Network when you want to withdraw Bitcoin, which I think makes sense regarding the little amounts that you get. But hey, if you really get 100 satoshi a day, you end up with 3,000 a month. You will not get rich, as I already said, but if you're looking for some free sats without doing much, I mean, you can even skip the videos. And if you're normally just browsing and doing stuff, opening new tabs, you get paid. You just need to wait a second until the ads are loading, otherwise they are not registered. So, but it's fine for me. And here we go, 2 more ads, that's it. And if you want to support me in that regard, please use the link in my description, then I get a little kickback on your satoshi. So you don't pay me anything, of course, I will get it on top. And you should log in each day, you get a streak. I don't know how long this streak is going, if it's continuing to increase. So For now, it's 1 sats additionally a day. I don't know when this will stop. This will probably stop at some point, but you can't scroll here. This is implemented a bit bad UI wise, but apart from that, you can add it to your other things you're doing without actually needing to do much. So I will do that. They also have an offer wall, they have surveys. I will definitely look at the offer wall later on. I think I will need around 50 days because I want to stack 2000 sats. And if I understand the payout correctly, it will always take you 30 days until the earned ones are locked. So what I earn today will be unlocked in 30 days. What I earn tomorrow will be unlocked in 41 days, and so on and so forth. So if I need 20 days to earn 2000 satoshis, I need to wait until the 20th day, 30 days from there, so we are on 50 days. So in less than 2 months I will have my first payout, and yeah, why not add it? Even if I don't pay, I have literally not wasted any effort or time here. I have spent more time wasted on other things than that. Yeah, maybe it's good for you, maybe not. You need to decide for yourself.